Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see sensitive media content on Twitter. So let's start. First, open the Twitter app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Privacy and Safety. Now scroll down and you'll see Display Sensitive Media Content is disabled. Now to see sensitive media contents, you have to enable that option. And now, since you have enabled this option, you will be able to see all the sensitive media contents on Twitter. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.